Can we throw this in the garbage? Wait, I gotta do something.
Ese sale como 600 cada vainita dice vale 80, 60.
Well, what? I'm gonna look ahead and see if